Still Campo here. Got the Sled, new oil, got the steering set up, what do you call it, toe set. Gonna take it for a ride and see how things are. Make sure the steering wheel's straight. Maybe it'll be straight. So, gonna try to start it. Grab that wire?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Oh, that's it. It's jammed.
High quality Ford seatbelts.
They all jam. Okay, going straight down the road, straight road. Steering wheel is down just slightly on the left, so yeah, it's not quite right, but it's close. And man, I moved the steering wheel just a little bit. The car moves. It's nice. It was never like this before. I used to take it to the post office and back, and it was a lot of slop in the steering, and that was before you replaced those inner tie rods. So it made quite a difference. The other thing is, you know, with the setting the toe now, with everything so exact, you know, getting the steering wheel centered is might be a little more difficult. Might be much more fine adjustment than normal. Person behind me, I hope they stop. Exhaust leak. Can you hear it?
No, I can't really tell for sure.
I can hear it. I can't hear it now. When I got my foot in it, I can hear
It's better though. We're getting down to the finer points.
Yeah. Well, if we have to change that exhaust gasket with one of those, whatever they're called, but I can never remember the name. It'll be an easy swap now. I'm gonna step on a little going up this hill, see if we can hear the exhaust. I can't really hear it because we're going too fast, too much wind noise. It drives pretty nicely. Let's see, maybe I can. Yeah, did you hear that?
Yeah, there's a little rumble.
The little up front, it sounds like exhaust to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't know what it is. Oh, what they do? Repave this, or oh, they resealed this parking lot.
Ugh, they didn't do a very good job.
It looks black.
Yeah, but it's still just not got all the. They didn't seal any of the cracks. They just painted it black.
The cracks are huge, but it's just got painted black. Yeah.
That's terrible. Yeah, you're supposed to seal the cracks, not.
Well, it made it look pretty.
They have no idea what they're doing, and they spent all that money for nothing.
Got us here. Back to a daily driver again.
Okay.
And the window rolls up nicely. Good job.
You think it steers a lot better, or it steers the same?
No, you mean from before we changed all that stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, before we changed it, it was slop like this. And now it's like I move like this and the car changes direction. It's like I hardly even turn it. Now with the engine off, of course, there's a little bit of slop, but that's the valve in the power steering.
Okay, turn the engine off so that we don't have to listen to the engine.
Oh, so.
And then it looks like your headlights are on.
They are. So they're, you know, there's that, but that's the valve in the power steering. Once it's running, you move like this in the wheel steer. It's pretty nice. It's really nice. I got to figure out how to get there. That was on the accessory. Okay, let's get out of here.